Listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to your weather radio, commercial radio.
Tornado warning! Tornado warning! We're in a tornado warning! Tornado warning! We're in a tornado warning now! Tornado
The
warning!
National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for southern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Rutherford County
We're in
in Middle
it!
Tennessee.
That's our county! We're in it! We're in the tornado
County in
warning!
Middle Tennessee, central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee.
Nate,
until 8:45
we're
p.m.
in the
Central
tornado
Daylight Time.
warning!
At 8:13 p.m. Central Daylight
Huh?
Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near La Vernie,
What?
13 miles southeast of Nashville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Carthage, Smyrna, La Vernie, Mount Juliet, Nolensville, Watertown, Gordonsville, Rural Hill, Antioch, Walter Hill, Hickman, South Carthage, Alexandria, Tucker's Crossroads, Cedars of Lebanon State Park, Gladeville, and Percy Priest Lake. This includes the following highways.
Nate, it's headed right our way. It's headed right towards us.
And 264. Interstate 24 between mile
It's headed
markers
right towards our
56 and
house.
70.
No joke.
840 between mile markers 59 and
It's
76. Heavy rain.
Alright, I'm gonna hang up, okay? I can't talk.
Or hear the tornado.
Okay, I'll try to stay on call, but I'll probably be all over the place,
Torrential
okay?
rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to
I'll be
flash
back.
flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.